Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about another workshop and conclave for electrical, electronics and mechanical students जो कि अनअकैडमी की तरफ से बिल्कुल फ्री है so that students can achieve their dream job in core companies. तो लास्ट मंथ अनअकैडमी ने बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स ऑर्गेनाइज की थी एंड जिनका रिस्पांस बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग रहा जो कि आप स्क्रीन पर भी देख पा रहे होंगे. इन वर्कशॉप्स का बेस्ट पॉइंट है कि आपको सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलता है तो आप अपनी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल एंड रिज्यूमे में भी इनको ऐड कर सकते हैं. No doubt resumes play an important role, a very crucial role in your selection. तो आपकी new skills and along with certification will help you to land up with a great and core job. Moving along the chain, upcoming weekend भी Unacademy ने मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के लिए सर्टिफाइड वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज की हैं एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल आर जस्ट फ्री. For mechanical students, IoT in automobile sector workshop रहेगा. Well, automobile sector is luxury sector and आज की generation enjoys the IoT. Every device exchanges data. Let's see, from your smartwatch to headphones, even car lock unlock, and even refrigerators are also using IoT. So IoT is just application based from your day-to-day life. And to learn about it specifically for automobile sector, which is giant, mechanical and interested students को जरूर enroll करना चाहिए. And similarly for electrical electronics engineers, an academy organized कर रहा है Conclave 5.0, in which they will be learning about IoT and its future-based applications in your day-to-day life. Believe me, friends, IoT is the era. It's like a boom for today's world, and as you already know, 70,000 crores are allocated for semiconductor industry development by Government of India, and it was just recent. So there must be a reason which shows IoT is the future, and sooner you adopt it, better it will be. So just get yourself enrolled in these workshops, and to do that, you can follow the links in the description box. So if you are liking my videos, you can consider subscribing my channel for more updates about next gen innovative programs. Thank you very much.